Hey guys, it's Mrs. Dathy. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to braid, how to cornrow. So if you're feeling this hairstyle, you wanna know how in the heck I did this, please continue watching. I wanted to do a braiding hair tutorial because I'm like, man, there's so many people out here that don't know how to braid. And I've been braiding since I was, I don't know, elementary school. Remember one of my cousins came over to my house and she started showing me how to braid, and I was practicing on the doll, and ever since then I always knew how to braid. And then when I got to college, I met this young lady who she was telling me she don't know how to cornrow, and I'm like, what? You in your 20s, you don't know how to cornrow? And so I'm like, you know what? Let's do it. I'm gonna teach y'all how to braid. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye. Well, not bye. Continue on. Let's do this. All right, now let's take out some hair. So I'm going to show you the basics, okay? Before showing you the cornrow, I'm going to show you how to do just a regular plait with 3 pieces of hair. Alright, now when you are braiding, you gotta get 3 pieces of hair, and I hold my hair with my thumb and my pointing finger. And basically when you're braiding, you're taking the ends of your hair and you're making it the middle. And you're going in a pattern. End, middle, end, middle, end, middle, end, middle. And that's what we're pretty much going to do. And as you're doing it, you're pulling your hair to make it nice and tight. So this is my right. And now I'm going to go under the hair. You see that I'm grabbing it with my pointing finger, okay, and my thumb. And guess what? Look, now I'm going to grab the hair that's at the end, bring it over, and bring it to the middle, and we're crisscrossing, we're going under. Now this side, I'm bringing it under. This hair that's at my end, I'm bringing it to the middle. Hair that's at the end, I'm bringing it in the middle. I'm crossing over under the hair, bring it to the middle. You see how it's starting to come in? End, middle. Right side, middle. Left side, middle. Right side, middle. Left side, middle. Right side, bring it to the middle and you go under that middle piece, under. Okay? Left side, middle. Right side, middle, and you keep going. You see that there? And then you can go all the way at the end, but I'm not gonna do that. This is how your braid is going to look. Now I'm going to show you cornrow. It's when your hair is literally attached. It's like flat on your scalp. Before doing the cornrow, I am going to moisturize my hair because, man, it was feeling so dry. I'm using the African Pride Shea Butter Miracle Moisture Intense Bouncy Curls Pudding. Ooh-wee, that was a mouthful, but it's very important to moisturize your hair, grease it, and take care of it before doing a style. Okay, instead of doing a part straight down, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do a zigzag. So the zigzag, you're going to be parting the hair diagonally. So the first part that I'm going to make is going to be towards my face, or you can say that's, to the right, okay? And then the next part I will make will be towards the other side. I didn't really like using that metal rat tail comb, so I end up using my regular blue comb instead. So right there you see that I made a part to the left and then I'm parting to the right. Okay, adding some more, you know, cream to moisturize, because man, my hair is just feeling so dry. And then I'm parting again to the left, and I keep going all the way down until I get to the bottom. So you're going right, left, or towards your face, then towards the back of your head, toward the front of your head, then back, then towards the back of your head. So when I wanted to be a little bit more precise, I would use the metal rat tail. When I wanted to, you know, if there was any hairs that was a little out of place, that's when I would, you know, take that out. But then I would go right back to my other comb. Okay, so I'm going to detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. This is actually a shower comb. It is very important to detangle before you start braiding. So I'm going to split my hair into 3 pieces like how I showed you in the beginning. And I'm going to hold these pieces of hair in between the pointing finger and the thumb. So I'm going to use my pointing finger to go underneath. You're going to see me go underneath the middle hair and to grab the hair at the end to bring it to the middle. So it's the same concept. The hair at the end, you're going to grab it and bring it to the middle. Okay, next you're gonna go the hair at the end, or since you're getting a side view, you could say my right, your right I should say, bring it to the middle. Okay, and then you're using your pointing finger and your thumb to pinch, and as you're going, you're picking up hair as you go down your scalp. Okay, so you put your finger underneath the hair, grab the hair that's in the middle, and you grab some hair as you go along. As you cross over, you're grabbing hair. Okay, so that end piece or left side now becomes the middle side. Okay, and then the hair that's on the right now becomes the middle. And I'm grabbing as I go along. Okay, I'm pointing again, I'm pushing through the hair to grab that left piece and making it the middle. And you see the braid is coming along. You see that crisscross pattern. Hair that's on the right becomes the middle now, and there you go. And as you're grabbing, as you're going from side to side, you're grabbing as you go down. And sometimes when you cross over, your hair can get a little tangled, so that's why you see me pulling, you know, to keep the hair from tangling. And when you're holding one piece of hair in one hand, your other hand is of course gonna have the other 2 pieces. So one of those pieces will be in between your middle finger and your ring finger, while your pointing finger and thumb finger is occupied. And as you can see, I have my left arm above my head. And this is the position you have to be really to reach over to braid your hair that way. But then once I start to get to the bottom, you're gonna see my arm is gonna come down now in the few so that I can braid the end like I showed you before, and then you're gonna see me do it again. middle, the end, I'm sorry, the side is gonna be the middle, side, middle, side, middle, side, middle. There was a change of plans. I ended up not doing 2 braids on each side. I just ended up doing one on one side, one on the other side. And where you see that I stopped the braid, I actually put a rubber band in it because I wasn't gonna braid at the end. But when I put my hair in a bun, that part that's not braided was actually puffy, so I actually ended up braiding it all the way to the end. And here you have it, zigzag on both sides. So now I'm going to pull the hair back in a bun, and this is, you know, after I put in a bun, like I said, I saw that it was puffy, so I braided all the way at the end. And so that you can pull into a bun, of course you can put gel to slick it back and have it nice. So if you want to leave your hair like this, you can, in a little bun, but you know, I want to add some more pizzazz, and I'm gonna add some Marley hair. And it has a little scrunchie already attached to it. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a scrunchie to your Marley hair in order to add it to your hair. So you're going to loop your hair through the scrunchie. Okay, and then you're going to twist it. Okay, once you twist it, then you're going to loop the hair back through it again. And there you go. Now you're ready to attach it to your hair. And if you need to twist the Marley hair or braid it, you can have someone hold it, or you can tie it to a doorknob. Now, when you put it in your hair, make sure that the Marley hair is on top as you put the scrunchie from the bottom. And then you just tie it to the bun that you made. And once you have that secured, at this point, all I'm going to be doing is wrapping my hair now, wrapping it all around. That is looking lovely. That is looking nice. So guess what? Now I'm ready to bedazzle. If you watched my last video where I did my like a Nubian nice twist style, you know that I like to jewel up. So you know what? Let's do this. Let's put these gold tubes in there. Ow. All right, so I'm like, you know what? Let's put one more. Why not? Do the most, ladies. Shoot, do the most with your hair. Whatever, who cares? Make it as pretty as you like. Yes, girl, yes. Feeling myself. And no, I did not forget about the edges. I did not forget. And I use edge wax from Marley's, and then I use Eco Styler. Okay, right now I'm just swooping, y'all. I know y'all like that swoop. Okay, I'm just swooping, you know, with my little tool, my edge comb. Okay, listen, get you one. It's really good. The Lord makes miracles. Y'all see them edges. Y'all see, listen, looking wavy. Y'all see that? All right, y'all. I'm gonna put a scarf over my head. And let's get ready for the final look. And how can we forget the final touch? If you know me, you know I love lipstick. And my look is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Why do I keep feeling this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.